Check 3018 inches, gears
Number
points.
430 Foxtrot, Bermuda Tower, runway 12, wind 05, 0814, QNH 1022. Report the final approach fix.
There's the final approach fix for tower. Autopilot's coming off, I'm going to align. Okay, I'll give you 3,000 for the miss there, Jeff. Thank you. Flight director's off. Flight director's off. Air Canada 942 is the approach fix inbound.
Canada 942, wind 050 at 13, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 12, Air Canada 942. Flaps are full, VAP 133, auto thrust, speed. Landing memos, no blue, you're all set, Jeff. Thank you. Yeah, breeze a little stronger up here, 825 knots out of 040. Minimums, runway in sight. Landing.
The runway's in sight.
Still 24 knots.
Company calling second?
It's November 430 Foxtrot. We're just reporting the runway inside.
Number 430 Foxtrot Tower, roger. Report a 5 mile final.
100, 50, 30, retard, retard, retard.
Verse 3.
Delta 560 up on 18-1.
Delta 560 Tower, hold short the runway on golf.
Hold short runway 12 on golf, Delta 560.
70. So we've ensured the aircraft is configured for a safe approach to the stand. External lighting is off, our brakes are functioning. We have a marshaller in sight. We're going to follow his guidance right to a stop. Clear on the right, on the left.